Welcome. Here I've got iPad Pro 11 2020 and I'm gonna show how to change image quality when we want to take a picture at this device. So we don't use the camera app, we have to simply go to the settings here. And now let's focus on this settings bar. We have to slide down to get access to the camera settings, and by tapping on this we can see these parameters here. And now we go to the formats. By tapping on this we get access to choose the format of our photo, and we can pick between most compatible to the high efficiency. So I recommend you of course the high efficiency, because this save our pictures in the best possible quality. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.